Okay, what's the total distance in the table? Show your work and select all that apply. The first ones I'm going to address are Tuesday and also Thursday because those are mixed numbers, and we're going to convert them to numbers that have decimals in them. Okay, so Tuesday is 3 3/4. That's going to be 3 and a decimal. Now we need to figure out the 3/4. 3/4 is going to be converted into a decimal. You put the numerator in the fraction house, the denominator goes outside. It's the same thing for 4 2/5, okay? If we put our 4 right there, put our decimal behind it, but now we got to take care of the 2/5, okay? And 2/5, the numerator goes inside the fraction house, the denominator goes outside. 4 obviously does not fit inside of 3, so that's a 0. You're going to multiply 0 times 4, subtract it, you bring down your 3. You're going to add your decimal now. Carry your 0, drop it down. 4 fits inside of 37 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract that, you get a remainder of 2. Add your 0, drop it down. 4 fits inside of 25 times. 5 times 4 is 20, and you're going to get 0.75. Most of us already knew that 3/4 is 0.75, but that's how you can convert it into a decimal, okay? Now, it's the same process for 2/5. That one, I'm not going to work it out, but I will show the work. So there's the work, and 2/5 is the same as 0.4 or 0.40, okay? And 4 2/5 is 4.40, okay? Now, the other ones are 2. That's the same as 2.00. And then 1.4, which we can just stack up on the top. 1.4, same as 1.40. Now we can add it all up. Okay, now, if you add all that up, it's 11.55. So automatically, we know that that's it. 11.05 is not going to work. Okay, 11.50 is not going to work. 11 55 100ths, that is the same thing as 11.55. Okay, and last but not least, if we divide by 11, I'm sorry, don't divide by 11. If you divide by 5 in the numerator, divide by 5 in the denominator, you're going to get 11 out of 20. So 11 and 11/20 also works. Just to be clear.